Hello everyone, welcome to the Ragni Learning Institute. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn how to perform moderation using MOS. But before that, if you don't know how to perform EFA analysis in SPSS, how to perform CFA, SEM using MOS, then you must visit my previous lecture. I am giving you the link in my description. So before moderation, first we have to add the moderator in our SPSS file. So here I am using same data which I have used in my lecture 1. Just copy this data. Go to variable view. Here, add your moderator. For example, I am taking experience. In values, I am here giving 1. If individuals have experience, say yes, add. If individuals do not have experience, say no, and value is 2. So now, whole values are between 1 and 2. Say OK, and you can see in data view your moderator is added. Here I have one moderator, but if you have more than one, then you may add it. Go to Excel file, copy your all responses, then add it in your SPSS file. Here you can see our moderator data is added and SPSS file is ready to go for MOS for moderation. Here you can see the image which is visible clearly, and this is the result of our CFA analysis and SEM analysis. So before that you must visit. Now let's move forward for the moderation. Here in group number 1, group number 2, we have to add our that categories. For example, in experience, I have 2 categories, 1, 2, yes, no. So let's say 1 for yes, then new, then again add 2 for no. Then go to select data file. Here you can add your file. Then in group variable, you have to add your variable name. It means moderator name, which is experience. Click OK. Then group value. For example, we have 1 yes responses, which are 436, and 2 responses are 62. It means 62 are no responses, 436 are yes responses. So click, then OK. Then again you have to again add the same file. Moderation. Our moderator is again experience, because in my data file only 1 is the moderator and group value is 2. So here you can see experience 1, experience 2, both categories are added. Just click OK. And here you can run your model. Calculate estimates. Again, for model fit, you have to check your model fit measures, reliability and validity test. All things are same, which already discussed in SEM. But here we can see text output, how these 2 categories are visible. Go to text output. In text output, you can see estimates. In estimates, here if you come down, here are 2 groups, which are 1 and 2. If you click 2, then you can see our 1 hypothesis is accepted, which is OC. It means experience model moderator 2. 2 it means no, 2 for no. Those individuals who do not have experience moderate the relationship between OC and BI. If you click 1, which have experience, if individuals have experience, then which hypotheses are accepted, which tell us that these relationships are moderated by experience. For example, DQ is accepted, OC is accepted, and FP is accepted. Moreover, in similar way, you can check your model fit measures, minimization history, modification indices, notes for model. In model fit measures, here you can take CFI, p-values, CMIN, whichever you want. Consequently, we can see that moderation in MOs is very easy but little bit tricky. Why? Because if you know how to add moderator, how to add the categories of a moderator, for example, yes, no, if you are adding gender, then in gender you are selecting age, then age are 1, 2, 3, you have to select the group and make the categories of that. Then accordingly you have to carry forward your data. If you know that how to add that moderator, how to add that categories, even if you do not know how to add this group numbers, then your moderator analysis or moderator analysis and MOs will not carry forward easily, and MOs will not show any result. All other things are same. For example, in plugins, you can check your reliability, model fit measures, and so many things. But trick you should know is that how to add moderator and categories. Correspondingly, if you are dealing with one moderator or more than one moderator, then moderation analysis using MOs is very easy but less little bit tricky. Once you know how to add the moderator categories, then less you can do it for sure. But if you are performing CFA analysis, ACM analysis, then again MOs is very easy and usable tool. I hope you enjoyed this lecture and series of my MOs lectures too. So if you want to refine your concepts with easy tricks, then follow and subscribe my channel, which is Ragni Learning Institute. So bye for now. We'll meet you soon in my upcoming lectures.